up, you guys? Oh, that's not hot. What it do, y'all? What's poppin'? It's your girl Tiny, and welcome back to my channel. What is up? What's good in the hood? So, y'all, it's been a while since I vlogged. Like, what? It's been a while. I uploaded a video recently, but it's been a while, you guys. I did a life update video, so hopefully y'all would have seen that before this one. But it's just been a lot going on, y'all. Not nothing bad, but just trying to get my shit together, pretty much. So today I decided that I wanted to do a vlog and bring you guys along with me. Before we get any farther into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So right now I have an appointment this morning to get a microdermabrasion facial, baby. So I'm going to get me a facial because it's not giving what I needed to give. So I need to get these pores like gone and these dark marks gone. Okay, I'm feeling real like energized. I just had me some tea, so I'm like I'm feeling very much energized. So don't mind my craziness right now, but I have to stop and get gas really quick and then head to my appointment. I got a busy morning this morning, so after my appointment I have to head. I have a client that's coming in to get a touch up on her lashes, so I have to head to the salon. After that I'm going to get a B12 shot. Your girl is like I said, I'm trying to get my shit together, and that's in every aspect of my life. So health wise, mentally, spiritually, financially, it needs to give. Like, I'm not waiting for January 1st to change. If there's something that you do want to change for the new year, you should start like right now. Like, you should start getting into those habits now, like ASAP. You can't expect for January to come, and that's where I messed up at. I be like, okay, yeah, starting a new year, I'm gonna start doing this and that and that, and then I still be in my old habits. So I was reading, no, I think I was watching a video, and it mentioned that like if you want to change anything for the new year, you need to actually start before that time comes. So that's the plan. So I'll be right back, you guys. So anyways, I had to get gas. So like I was saying, if there's something that you want to change for the new year, then you should start like November, December, trying to get into those habits, so that when the new year comes, like you already in the groove and the rhythm of things. Hello. finished up with my facial and I can already see a difference. She did the works on me. I love it. So right now I am about to head to my appointment, my client. We'll head to the shop because I have a client for lashes. It's just a 1 hour touch-up service that I'm doing, so I'll be really quick. And then I go to get my B12 shot. I never got a B12 shot before, so I'm super excited and hoping that it'll give me the energy I need to get my life together. I really need to start my days earlier because I be feeling so tired. I be feeling so exhausted. So yeah. So after that, I need to grab me something to eat because I didn't eat this morning. All I had was some hot tea. I don't know why I'm going on 95, but y'all, I done came out my shell and like vlogged in front of people. Well, I didn't really vlog because I wasn't speaking. I mean, it was still vlogging. I said vlogging. It was still vlogging, but like I'm trying to get out of my shell for the new year, for the 2020, and be more, just more, I don't know how to explain it, but I just want to be more open, less shy around people, and just get it together, you know. I just want to be more open around people, more, I mean, I'm a people person, but I'm also an introvert, so I'm not the one. I don't like this lighting. I'll be back with y'all.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made me coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it. You will come through and chill. Drops like you will come through and chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it.
So I just finished up. I am going to just clean up a little bit, and then I have to head. I need to get me something to eat. Then I have to go get my B12 shots. Y'all, today's been a successful day so far. Yeah.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.
how often can I get the B12? Like a regular injection?
Regular injection, you could do that weekly. Even bi-weekly.
And what about
depending? This one, we could do it weekly, every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks for this one?
For immunity. That way you don't get sick, you got that energy going. Every 2 weeks. Once you start feeling like, oh, okay, this is the dose, this is how I like it, then people could even go as far as monthly.
Right.
You know, so it's all really like what do you want?
Right.
What do you want to do with it? Sometimes if you're sick, like if you're really like sick and you're battling something, or you're thinking about, you just got diagnosed with something, you just kind of want to pick up that immune system, then you probably have to do it a little bit more frequent.
Okay.
You're gonna have to come in a little bit more frequent and just kind of just watch it with everything.
Okay, you guys, so I's back. I'm about to end this vlog in a little bit. First, I wanted to share with y'all. So the last y'all seen, I went and got my IV infusion. She gave me a little goodie bag with a notebook, which I love to write, so that's dope. This is her flyer. This is a vitamin C mask. I'm gonna use this tomorrow night. Since I already had a facial today, I'm gonna use that tomorrow night. This came with some emergency and some tea, sweet lemon, everyday immune system, immune function, caffeine free. This is really cute and thoughtful. And then this is her menu. So the infusion I got today was the Get Up and Go infusion, which helps burn fat and makes you feel energized and boost your metabolism. So that's pretty dope. So I'm excited to see for the rest of the week like how everything plays out, because your girl be tired and I be having so much stuff to do. I'm gonna start getting up earlier and just getting my day started a little bit earlier. This right here is some lash supplies that I ordered yesterday from Amazon. So I'm just gonna open these up on camera. Tomorrow I have another client. I have to do a fill tomorrow. Tonight I'm gonna be practicing some handmade volume fans. I did some today, and your girl honestly was kind of struggling a little bit. So I had to, since I'm doing a fill, and this is a repeat client, she's came to me once before. So I wanted to make sure I had the stuff to wash her lashes. So I got me some lash shampoo. I got this from Amazon. I just needed something quick in the meantime, and I had to make sure that everything was gonna be here today. And these are the brushes to clean your lashes. This was like $12, and I think it's like 20 of them. this lash shampoo and brush, I want to say it was like $7-8. I got me some volume lashes so I can hand make my fans. And then I got these jade stones. Normally I use a glue ring, but I want to try out these jade stones because I can use my glue ring for classics, but when I'm doing volume lashes, for me to dip and put is just like a lot. Something's on my nails. It's just like, it's not flowing like how it should. So I decided to use these jade stones and see how they work for me. So I think that was all I ordered. No, I also ordered, I thought I ordered a cream remover. Maybe that's gonna come. Let me just double check and see, because I thought I ordered one more thing. Okay. Okay, orders. Okay, so the cream remover is coming separately. That's going to be here tomorrow. So that's fine. Everything else I got. And it's all good in the hood. So I think that's it for now. I'm debating if I want to do another vlog, another day in the life. Tomorrow will be slightly busy as well. But I don't know. I'll see how I feel tomorrow if I want to vlog or not. I still have like a lot of stuff to do. I still have a whole book to read. For my little church group, I still have I wanted to practice on my fans. I still have to make my flyers for my business, and I still got quite a bit of stuff to do. So I'm about to right now go take me a shower. I just finished eating I was gonna say breakfast. I just finished eating dinner, so I'm gonna take me a shower so I can get to work. And yes, so that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, I'm trying to be on this whole consistent thing. It's consistency. Consistency is the consistency for me. It's the consistency for me. But anyway, so I'm really gonna try my hardest, and that's why I didn't do a weekly vlog, because I'm like, it's gonna be too long. I need something short and sweet, 15 to 20 minutes, so I can edit, upload, and go about my business. Okay, so we're gonna try this out and see how it works. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out all of my links down below for my businesses. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and I will see y'all next video.